Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today I'm going to do a video on, I'm going to do a bloom on this tile. And I'm going to use some pretty colors. Well, I think they're pretty colors. So let's see, and I'll show you the colors. This is Wooden Premium Eggshell. Okay, I'll show you my colors. So I mixed a couple together too. So I've got 5 colors. So if I can remember what I just did. This one is Peacock Pearl by THUR. This one is Amsterdam Greenish Blue. This one is a mixture. It's not that one. Yeah, it's a mixture of Permanent Mater Lake by Amsterdam and Windsor Violet. I've put some Windsor Violet in there to make it more of a darker burgundy color. And I also have some Permanent Magenta by Winsor Newton and Pink Tourmaline by THUR mixed together. That's a pretty color too. It's a bit thick. I think I'll add a little bit of water. My water is mixed with a bit of varnish. And then I have some Aspen by this little piggy. All right. So that's 5 colors. So let's see which one to put down first. I'll put the turquoise first. Okay, so then that one, no, maybe this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, I'll put them in a bit of a order here. So this is the dark one, the Mater Lake and Windsor Violet. Oh, is that ever pretty? That's a real pretty color. Sometimes you, if you mix 2 colors together, you can get such awesome colors. Where's my, oh, there it is, okay. All right, now I'll put the greenish blue, I think. Oops. magenta. I'll put this down. I'm on another bloom kick. I've been doing a lot of swipes lately. So I like both. I like the blooms. Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to do. Now this is Aspen by this little piggy. This is all gonna look together, but I guess we're gonna find out. I'll use white and black cell activator. All right. This is quite a lot of paint. Some white. Use my mini blower. Oh, that's gorgeous. Didn't mean for that to happen, but wow, look at this. So pretty. Let the middle relax a little bit. Excuse me. Awesome colors. Wow. poke a few bubbles. Okay, I think it's ready to spin. It's not all moving together, but see what we get. I like to go one way and then I like to go the reverse way. I'm going to see if I can break this up. That husband looks really nice in there. All right, one more spin. That's pretty nice. I'm gonna leave it now. There's not a lot of paint in there. Middle. It's hardly moving, not even moving. So I'm good. I think I'm good. All right, there you go. Look at that. Which way do I like it? Kind of like it that way. There's a lot of awesomeness going on here. Very pretty. Okay, there you go. I'm going to stop now. I'll hold it up for you. There you go. I'll put the dried result at the ends. Have a great day, everybody, and come back to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried tile. Dried really well up here. And then as we get to this section right here, I've got some cracks. I think the paint must have been too thick here. It didn't seem to run off as well as this part, because it's fine. So I think it'll be okay. All I need to do is maybe just fill in this little crack here, and then I'll resin it. It should be okay. There you go. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.